Do you want to create professional and impressive videos? In this video, our channel will show you how to combine text shapes, keyframes, and video masking to create unique effects with ease. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this tutorial is sure to take your video editing skills to the next level. Insert the dotted background file into the timeline for a stylish touch. Find the perfect video on CapCut PC to bring your vision to life. Adjust the video size. In the Basic tab, adjust the scale to 110120. Add text to the main video at frame 10. Add a title by selecting the text tool and typing your desired content. Don't forget to customize the size, font, and add effects like a shadow to enhance depth. Use effects to highlight the text, such as the Type 1 entrance effect or the slide left exit effect. Choose the Type 1 effect for the text entrance, and slide left for the exit effect. Add a professional mask effect and combine it with appropriately placed keyframes. Click on the keyframe box. Select the mask circle. Size: W equals 2500, H equals 2500. At the 10th frame of the 3rd second, click on the keyframe box and keep the size settings you've adjusted. At the 15th frame of the 3rd second, click on the keyframe box. Click on the keyframe box and adjust the size. W equals 900, H equals 900. At the 20th frame of the 3rd second, click on the keyframe box. Set scale to 70% and drag the video to the bottom left corner. Craft concise and engaging sentences tailored for the video. Leverage ChatGPT to generate the necessary content. I have prepared the necessary text with the support of ChatGPT. Adjust fonts, sizes, preset styles, and more. Position the text optimally for the best display. Copy and paste seamlessly. Organize efficiently on the timeline. Refine text for perfect alignment. Enhance the text with decorative styling. Select all text layers on the timeline to apply edits and effects simultaneously. Align the text layers to the left for proper display. Distribute the text layers evenly. Apply the Type 1 effect for the in animation. Use the slide left effect for the out animation. Move the video layer and adjust the final keyframe of the video. Set the keyframe at the end position of the text layer. In the Basic tab, select the option to preserve the previous keyframe settings in the video layer. Apply the same settings in the Mask tab as in the Basic tab. At the previous keyframe, move 10 frames forward and set the next keyframe. In the Mask tab, select the option to retain the previous keyframe from the video. In the Basic tab, select the keyframe to adjust the settings. Set the next keyframe 10 frames after the previous keyframes. In the Basic tab, set a keyframe and adjust the scale to 120%. In the Mask tab, set a keyframe and adjust the size. W equals 2500, H equals to 500. Trim the video and background to fit the adjustments made throughout the video, then export the final video. Thank you for watching our channel. Your support is the motivation that drives us to continue creating more valuable content. Wishing you success with your own creations.